What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. Today, if you guys saw last video, the throttle cable snapped on the budget build Civic. So today we're gonna head to the junkyard, hopefully find a throttle body cable, and then install that on the Civic so I can use the throttle. And yeah, so let's head over to the junkyard. I'll probably vlog a little bit there with my iPhone, but we'll see you there. Let's go. Irvin, I was stuck again, load again, nerd. I'ma take it to try. Alright guys, so I'm back from the junkyard, and I picked two cables, one from a Y7 and one from a Y8. So now I'm just going to finish uninstalling the cable that broke, and then I'm going to throw one of these in. So let's get to that, and hopefully she's mint soon. Cable all in. Took the seat out for extra room. Getting in it is a mission, but yeah. Nice. Alrighty guys, as you guys saw in the previous clips, we got the throttle body back on and mint. I'm fired up, honestly, about that. Also, I'm painting this radiator bracket. We're making this thing freshy on a P. And yeah, so quick little update on the progress we have made today. Hey! Yo, Joe. Let's peep this fit first. Let's peep this fit. Godfather.
Take a shirt.
Some
Don't
wash.
look at his shoes, bro.
Nice.
Okay.
Walmart joints.
Okay.
What are your thoughts on the build? Obviously cooler than your car.
No.
Yep.
It's not. I like it's a Honda. That's like a +1. It's gonna be turbo. That's like +2.
I didn't let my fans know that yet.
Okay.
You're
sorry.
spoiled.
Well, it's not posted yet. So.
Spoiled that.
Okay.
All 5 of them.
That's about it, honestly. Solid 3 out of 10. Okay. You know?
3 out of 10. 3 out of 3.
Am I spoiling it even more?
Spoil it more.
You know, it's gonna be lower probably. Maybe an inch and a half. pretty neat.
For the unpaid workers. go to the junkyard, get the throttle body cable, the part that I needed to fix the Civic. Then I have some dirt bike moto vlog in this video as well. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm posting every Monday at 12. It's your boy, signing off, and peace.
Coming with the strap, always slanging gas, cause we speaking facts. Boy, I never lack. They call me Mr. Slaughter, cause I fuck your daughter. I make that pussy water or come. I make that coochie numb while I grip the gun, cause you know we having fun in this bitch. Yo, go